Welcome to the Guardian's Choice. According to our experts' recommendation, we have selected the list of top 10 pocket knife in this year. Let's get started with the list. Start at our list at number 10. Benchmade 940 EDC Folding Knife. The Benchmade 940 Osborne is the cream of the crop. In fact, we feature this knife in a detailed breakdown right here. Benchmade has made its mark by having some of the top quality pocket knives on the market, and the 940 Osborne is no different. Also, it features durable anodized 6061 T6 aluminum handle, constructed with CPMS 30V stainless steel. Blade length 3.4 inches. Reverse tanto blade. Axis locking mechanism. At number 9. Benchmade Barrage 580 knife. The 940 Osborne isn't the only top-tier knife that Benchmade is responsible for making. The Super Steel Barrage is extremely popular with the high-end knife-owning crowd. It's a little pricey, but for the quality you expect from Benchmade. It features made with M390 Super Steel, 154 cm stainless steel blade, axis assist locking mechanism, standard reversible tip-up clip, handle material G10 aluminum. Coming at number 8. Analyst Case XXWR Pocket Knife. The Case pocket knife is made with top craftsmanship and will look appealing to everyone. It's perfect for an everyday pocket knife for any project in your house, hunting, or any other outdoor activity. It is lightweight, thus it will be easy for you to carry it everywhere. It has a total weight of 2.5 ounces. This item measures 3.63 inches. Chrome vanadium, CV, steel blades. Smooth yellow synthetic handle. Limited lifetime warranty. At number 7. Victorinox Swiss Champ Pocket Knife. This pocket knife has a stunning design and lines among the best-looking models on the list. It features 33 functions helping you in your everyday adventures. The knife includes a corkscrew, pliers, bottle opener, scissors, and a large blade. It features 33 functions for everyday adventures. Product weight only 6.526 ounces, 2.45 inches large blade. Swiss-made stainless steel construction. Made in Switzerland. Moving at our list at number 6. Bliztec Multi-Tool Pocket Knife. The Bliztec might be the most perfect and efficient little pocket knife. It's a 15-in-1 tool that comes with 9 combo utility sets, cannon bottle opener, smart pliers, and a sturdy pocket knife. The unit will help you in your projects, ad hoc home improvement jobs. It includes 15-in-1 multi-purpose tool. Weighs only 8.39 ounces. Constructed with 420 stainless steel material. Durable belt-friendly nylon pouch. Lifetime warranty. At our mid-list, number 5. KATSU Pocket Folding Knife. This multi-purpose folding KATSU knife is a thing to own, as it is convenient for daily tasks, hunting, camping, or hiking. It measures only 5 inches when closed and has a total length of 9 inches. Thanks to its carbon and titanium fiber handle, as it will offer a comfortable grip and anti-rust property. It includes 3.9-inch VG10 steel stone-washed blade. 5-inch closed, total length 8.9-inch. Titanium and carbon fiber handle. Frame lock provides assurance that the blade. Item weight 145 grams. At number 4. RoverTac Pocket Knife. This utility pocket knife from RoverTac is fully loaded and lightweight and offers a sleek design. It is constructed from full stainless steel that has durable black oxidation, and this makes it durable and compact. It includes grooved handle design for easy grip. Lightweight multi-tool, integrate 7 convenient tools. 100% satisfaction guarantee. The 9-in-1 screwdriver bit set guarantees a multi-purpose using. It comes with a durable nylon pouch. Top of our list at number 3. Pinnacle Aero Multi-Tool Pocket Knife. Pinnacle Aero is a tactical pocket knife that is cheap, decent, and has a very basic design. It comes with a sleek, cool design letting you fold the knife blade, and you can open or close with one thumb only. It features made with 420C stainless steel rust-proof material. 5-in-1 utility tools pocket knife. Built-in safety protection. Black oxide 5-in spear point folding knife. 1-year free replacement warranty. At number 2. Premium Utility Knife. A list of best pocket knives would never be complete without a Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Utility Knife in it. It's a very popular knife as it can be used in everyday tasks such as cutting rope, dressing, skinning, and more. It features carbon steel replaceable blades, safe lock mechanism with belt clip, handle material, black wood, size with knife unfolded, 7-inch, lifetime money back guarantee. And the last is always the best on our list. Kershaw Blur Folding Knife. The Kershaw Blur Folding Knife might be the best pocket knife on our list so far, and also the best EDC knife for the money in our opinion. Kershaw is known for quality and sturdiness, but this knife is also very budget-friendly, while not skimping on durability. It includes blade length 3.375 inches, blade type drop point, blade material 14C28 and stainless steel. The handle is made of 6061 T6 anodized aluminum. Track Tech inserts give a quality grip. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Guardian's Choice Official.